Got it now?
Oh.
Where's your pencil piece of paper?
Huh? You talking to me?
You're recording me, aren't you?
We haven't done it for a while.
I got some great recordings.
I'm gonna try to get you.
Yeah, all you guys are just push button bucks, aren't you?
I'm gonna try to get you a reality show, and they'll pay you. They'll follow you around with cameras all the time.
No.
But if they paid you $1 million, it'd be worth it.
I'll take 100,000.
What about $1 million?
We'll start.
I'll get the $1 million. I'll give you 100,000.
All right. Done. What a guy, huh? Shit, I'd be sitting fat if I had 100,000.
Oh, can you imagine? You're a fucking penthouse condo.